Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Opera web browser. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Opera download and press enter. You'll get the first link, download the Opera browser for computer, phone and tablet. Click on this first link. Now click on this download button. This will download the Opera setup. Now click on open. I'll close the web browser. Over here, you need to click accept and install. Over here, you will get the option help make Opera better. Click on configure in settings and just uncheck all these tick marks and click on confirm choices. Now Opera installation will begin. So they have added new sidebar. Then tab islands. This is automatically going to take you to change the default apps. In the background, these settings are to change default web browser. You can see .html web page is going to open in the Opera. If you want, you can continue with this. I'll just close this page. Would you like to pin Opera browser to your taskbar? I'll select no thanks. Okay. So set up your new browser. Click on get started. So they have made some changes with the interface. As per your mood, you can select the theme. They have provided light, dark, and system. I'll go with the light theme. Click on next. Over here, you can choose the page wallpaper. I like this one. Click on next. They are provided browse faster ad free. They are providing free ad blocker, so you can enable it and click on next. So keep up with everyone, add your favorite social apps. Over here you can add your social apps, whichever you like. Click on next. There is option to skip also if you want. Okay, now import your data. If you are using any of the other web browsers like Google Chrome, Edge, and if you want to import all the bookmarks, okay, you can do that with this feature. I'll skip this. Click on done. So your Opera browser is ready. Click on start browsing. I'll make this full screen. Okay, this is the feedback. If you want, you can provide. I'll just close this page. Okay, now this page is a speed dial. You can see all the websites. They've added some few website over here. You can just click on this three dots and edit, or you can move to trash. Like for example, if I want to change this, click on move to trash. See, it has got deleted. If you want, you can add. Also, you can shift. Okay, as per your choice. The styles. You get a Google search bar over here to search. You can also add your city to see the temperature. Now you can also take a screenshot. There is a snapshot button. Over here you can enter your URL, address, forward button, backward button to refresh, okay, to reload the page. Now let's see what all features they've added. Over here there's a battery icon. Press to change battery saving settings. Okay, if you want to turn on the battery saver, you can select this and you can see the time remaining. If you're running low on your battery, you can switch this on so you can get more of the browsing time. Okay, so I'll set this on. Now over here you can see Opera account. If you have an Opera account, you can sign in with that. And at the corner it is the extension button, so you can click on this and you can manage your extensions. If you want to install some browser extensions, you can do that from this menu. Now we'll see on the left side we get Opera customize and control Okay, there are a lot of features. If you want to see, zoom the page, you can zoom it, snapshot, search tabs, history. Okay, you can check the browsing history, downloads. If you have downloaded any file, you can look for that file in this. Then bookmarks. If you have bookmarked something, you can check here. Okay, then extensions. You can also access extensions from this menu. News, pinboard. If you want to log into your Opera account, developer settings. Okay, they provide some developer tools. Then settings over here, update and recovery and exit and help page. Okay, all these menu options are there. Now there's a quick workspace. You can create your another workspace over here. Okay, now on the left side you can see this is a sidebar, so you can quickly access your social networking apps. Okay, now below this there is a bookmark. Okay, if you click on this, you can import bookmarks from another web browser if you're using like Google Chrome and Firefox. I'll close this. You can see the speed dial. You can add speed dial websites, bookmarks. Okay, and you can also create group of the bookmarks. Now I'll click on this history tab. There is a one click you can access all the browsing history over here. If you want to clear browsing data or browsing history, you can click clear browsing data. Okay, over here you can choose the time period for which you want to delete the browsing history. Okay, and click on delete data. So from this page you can also clear cookies and cache. Okay, just make sure you tick mark these three options and click on delete. So this will delete your browsing history, cookies and cached images and files. Okay, and there is one more advanced feature which provides you with more options. Like if you want to delete the saved password, you can check this. If you want to auto delete the form data, you can delete that also. Then site settings. Okay, so all these features are there in the advanced. You can enable those and you click on delete. So this will delete your browsing history. Now I'll go back to the speed dial, close the settings page. Okay, so we have looked what all features they are provided with the history. Now there is one sidebar setup. You can click on these three dots and you can check what all if you want to enable. They are providing AI services. Nowadays all the web browsers are becoming AI ready, so you can access AI features like chat sonic. You just need to check this. You can see icon has got available like chat gpt. Okay, workspace, if you want to uncheck remove any of the workspace or hide it, you can do that. Okay, if you're not using workspace you can also disable it from here. On special features, you can see the MyFlow crypto wallet if you're making use of it. Okay, I'll just uncheck this. So a lot of customizations you can do. Okay, like history is quick access is available, right? So similarly, you can also enable personal news if you want a button for a quick access. You can see a news, personal news, quick access icon has got created. Okay, I'll just uncheck this. Then sidebar extensions. There are more options. You can add a more sidebar extensions. If you click on that plus button, it will take you to the web page where you can download more extensions and enhance the browsing capabilities. Okay, I'll just close this page. Let's go back to this three dots. So you can also disable the sidebar. Click on this. It is going to hide the sidebar. Okay. Now, if you want to automatically hide the sidebar, you can also set this option. Okay. This can automatically hide the sidebar. All right, now let's look at the easy setup, this option over here, what all features they've added. So from this menu, you can change the theme. Suppose right now it's a light theme, I'll switch to dark. Okay, so now you can see dark theme has got enabled. I'll switch back to light theme. Okay, now start page. In this section, you can change the start page. Okay, if you want, you can select any of the other start page. Let me select this one. See, but I like this page. Okay, so add your wallpaper. You can also add your custom wallpaper. If you have created any wallpaper or downloaded, you can also set up that with this feature. Then show speed dial suggestions. These are the speed dial suggestions. Okay, Is show news. You can also enable news. See, if I enable this, it is going to show all the local news and show weather. You can also enable disable this. Okay, so lot of features are there. AI services in sidebar settings. Okay, as we saw in the previous this option. Now layout. If you want to change the layout, you can also do that. Auto hide. See, sidebar has got auto hidden. I'll keep this on. If you want to show bookmarks, you can also do that. Okay. Then lucid mode. This is applicable for the videos on the sites which you visit. Now there is one more option that is under privacy and security, that is block ads. If you want to enable the ad blocker, you can turn this on. Okay. Now block trackers. If you don't want anyone to track you, you can just enable this, so it is going to block all the trackers which try to track you during your browsing sessions. Now VPN browsing data. You can also clear the browsing data over here. VPN settings. If you want to make use of free VPN, Opera provides you with a free VPN, so you can use it. Click on enable. This is the pop-up you will get. Just click on close. Okay. Click on enable VPN, and there are options over here. Connect to VPN when start browsing. Whenever you open a browser, and if you want VPN to be enabled by default, you can keep this on. Then enable intranet sites by bypassing VPN. You can also check this. Okay, these are the VPN settings. Then VPN Pro. Okay, you can try for free, or you can also purchase it. Then AI services, we have already enabled AI services from sidebar settings. Okay, and enhance address bar. Then IPFS, IPNS. There are a lot of features over here. Then battery saver we already saw. Okay, and there are more. Save battery automatically. If you want to save battery automatically whenever it's unplugged, you can set this on. Then player settings, my flow settings, then crypto wallet, pin board, search pop-up. There is a lot of customizations. Video conferencing pop out, personal news. Okay, then on the start page, then on the start page also you can select what all of features you want to see. Okay, then user interface. Then you can also choose the preferred languages if you want. Then downloads, over here you can change the download settings. By default it's see users, your profile and downloads folder. You can change the downloads folder also. And if you want to reset the settings, all the configuration, suppose you have made a lot of changes to the web browser settings, and if you want to reset all the settings to the original, you can choose this option, restore settings to their original defaults. I'll select this. It is going to give you a pop-up. Click on reset. So you can see all the AI features which you added got removed, all the settings got restored. Even the battery saver we had turned on, it got switched to turned off. Okay, so all these features are available. I'll go back, close the settings tab, and go back to the speed dial. So we have checked all the features available with the Opera web browser. I'll close this for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.